Rain on the radar, believe it or not, but before you get too excited, it's not too close to home, at least quite yet. And these just aren't showers. These are strong to severe thunderstorms right now breaking out from northwest of San Angelo, where that flashing orange box is a severe thunderstorm warning, to just southeast of Abilene. And notice the general eastward movement here into this severe thunderstorm watch box that's in effect until 11 o'clock tonight. This does not include any of our counties at this time, but based on the movement of particularly that cell right there, it would not surprise me if we get a strong to severe thunderstorm moving across McCulloch County and maybe down into San Saba or parts of Mason County before this activity winds down after dark tonight. Let's take a look outside. Our Hill Country camera out actually in Llano County. Let's go to the Hill Country camera. I didn't call that up, did I? Okay, well, that's the downtown cam, but I'll tell you from the Hill Country camera, we could see off in the distance a little bit of cloud cover associated with those thunderstorms out there viewable from Llano County. But again, nothing in the area right now. We're going to track those storms as they approach. Well, these are the current temperatures around the area right now. It's 100 degrees right now in Austin, 99 in Georgetown, 100 degrees out in Llano. Now, let's factor in the humidity. This is how hot it feels to you if you're in the shade. 107 in Austin, 104 in Georgetown. Feels like 107 out at Llano. Some of these numbers this afternoon have been as hot as 108 or 109 degrees. Anything above 105 starts getting into that danger category, so you have to be very careful not to overdo it in the heat of the day, because again, that's how hot it feels in the shade. If you're in the direct sunshine out there working, you can add 15 degrees to those numbers, and that's just really, really dangerous potentially. 100 degrees at Camp Mabry right now. Skies are clear. 99 degrees out at ABIA under a clear sky. Humidity's high. Winds are 6 to 13 miles per hour right now. At least there's a bit of a breeze. Sunset is 8:33 tonight. And in the pollen count today, the mole 2,995. That's high. Grass at 35 is low. And around the state, it's 107. That's not a heat index. That is the current temperature. 107 in San Angelo at this hour. They had a record-breaking 108 degrees this afternoon. And it is a front that's moved into northwest Texas that's helping to trigger this activity out there in the big country and in the Concho Valley. And now tomorrow, this slight risk area for severe thunderstorms will come right down into the metro area. We think that front's going to pull up stationary up to the north and west of us. And so I don't think we're going to get much cooling from it, maybe a few degrees, but we might actually see one or two of those strong storms get a little closer to Austin tomorrow. Let's get you to the forecast here tonight. Temperatures falling into the 70s, not all that low. It's going to stay warm all night long. And then tomorrow, we may not hit 100 tomorrow because this ridge of high pressure is breaking down just a little bit with this frontal system moving in from the north. Tonight, cloudy. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm out in the hill country. We'll watch those for you tomorrow. I think a little better chance that more of us could have a scattered shower or a thunderstorm. Still hot, though, a high of 98. And by a better chance, about a 20% probability tomorrow. Some rain or some strong thunderstorms. About a 10% chance on Wednesday. And then after that, it's just a return to some real hot weather for the foreseeable future. Maybe through the end of the month, believe it or not. We're going to look at that 8 to 14 day outlook on KXAN News at 6. Leslie?